everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's learn alphabet. A is for apple. A for apple. B for bicycle. B for bicycle. C for cake. C for cake. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for guitar. G for guitar. H for house. H for house. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jump. J for jump. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for milk. M for milk. N for ninja. N for ninja. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for pumpkin. P for pumpkin. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for turtle. T for turtle. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for vase. V for vase. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. And Z for